Make a great choice today with the 2024 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires front all season, four-wheel disc brakes, tires rear all season. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.